Ron. Ron. And Ron sits up. Bolt upright. And he says, Melt. I was in the middle of a very good dream with that angry brunette, Ron. And Ron says, oh no, she was a brunette, but she wasn't angry. She was about to get that way, Ron. You're lucky I woke you up. Let's talk fridges, refrigerators. What do you know about them? They're where we put our food. In the real estate business, he knows some good suppliers of high-end refrigerators, stove, washers, all that stuff. Ron, I want a fridge all to myself. Big double door thing. You'll also have some, at least one, refrigerators for the attractive blonde girls who will be in the Immaculate Mansion. As we plan out, as we build Jesus' Immaculate house worldwide. They get their own fridge. But they can't have mine. I don't want to see salads and their can't eat green vegetables. Can't eat those green stuff. It's a son of a carpenter and Murray metabolism kind of thing. I want my fridge to be secure for me alone. Can you talk to these folks who supply the fridges? Maybe some kind of fingerprint thing where just I can get into the fridge. And Ron says he'll look into it. Good idea, Ron. Now you can go back to that angry brunette. I've got to go meet some buses, some visitors to an immaculate mansion far, far away. Talk to you next time, Ron.